What's going on, everybody? It's Casey here again. Got me a new bike. Well, a new used bike. It's a 2014 GSXR 750. New to me, new to you. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Look at this thing, red, white, and blue. Full exhaust. It's an M4 slip-on with the header that has no cat on it because cats suck and they make your bike sound like shit. It's got the carbon fiber covering on there, as you can see. It's also got the carbon fiber GSXR, pattern to it. Frame sliders there. It's got the ASV levers that flip out, so if you lay your bike over, it doesn't damage your levers, which is awesome. Also has the GPR steering stabilizer, which makes a huge difference. Really helps with that death wobble feeling at high speed or low speed. I love all the carbon fiber accents on this bike. I had a 2008 GSXR 750 before that. If you have been following my channel, it's on there too. It's black and orange. You can check that out next if you want. That was a great bike. I actually took a couple-year hiatus from having a bike, but finally decided to get another one. And this is one I came across, and I couldn't be happier with it. Super fast, very good condition, low mileage. Had about 4,000 miles on it when I got it. Almost has 5,000 on it already. been riding a little bit. Absolutely beautiful bike. Has a power commander as well. HIDs up and down. I'm not sure if these lights come like that, but these are blue when you turn it on. I don't know if that's going to get me pulled over eventually or not, but we'll see. To be determined. The bike sounds absolutely awesome. It screams at high speed. Super fast, ridiculously fast. Huge difference in torque compared to my 2008 GSXR 750, which did not have the power commander. It just had the cat delete and M4 exhaust as well. Let me fire it up for y'all so you can hear it run. We'll see if it knocks over the camera. It did last time I tried this, so stand by. Yeah, that didn't take much. This thing is loud, absolutely loud. We'll have no problem hearing you coming, I promise you that. I'll do a short drive-by video. Can't get too fast over here in this neighborhood, but at least you'll be able to hear it driving. Alright guys, don't make fun of my attire too much, but I'm not getting all geared up for this neighborhood flyby. Deal with it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. Hopefully the cops don't show up here. Really making my neighbors happy. Thanks for watching, and check in for the next video, guys. Thanks.